Hello, Southern Tennessee mom. Hope you're having a great day. A big shout out from Tennessee. Is everyone ready for Easter? You know, it's just a couple weeks away, but I'm going to make a cute door hanger here. I got everything from Dollar Tree except this jute, natural jute twine here. I did get this at Walmart and it was $2.99, and it is 243 feet of jute, so it's not a bad price. So, but what I did get from the Dollar Tree is I found one of these looks like an egg wreath form, okay? And that is from Happy Easter. I've got a pair of scissors, a glue gun, and glue sticks, of course. Remove that tag here. I do have one of these bunny tail picks. Isn't that cute? From the Dollar Tree. I thought it was adorable. I'm going to use that cardboard for my glue gun here. I found some carrot picks also from the Dollar Tree. I thought they were adorable. There's 3 to a package. Then I got some of the paper Easter grass. I got this from Walmart for 50 cents. I got some, it's by Celebrate, the little Easter eggs. There's 12 to a pack here. And I got this from Walmart also, and it's 98 cents. So I got 3 things from Walmart. And I did get this little headband, Easter bunny ears, from the Dollar Tree. And I may cut that off. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. So we'll just play around with it. See what looks best. Alright, so first I'm going to take my jute twine here. And I'm just pulling from the middle so I don't have to totally unwrap it. But I'm going to start about halfway. I'm going to put me a little glue right there on the wire. And I'm going to start my jute twine here. I'm going to wrap it totally around. And if you'll pull tight as you're wrapping this, you won't have to glue every section. Maybe just wrap a few and then glue a section. It'll stay. Just keep it taut like that. So I'm gonna finish wrapping this so you don't have to watch all of it. And I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we've got up this far. So far I have not had add any more glue since from where we started because I have wrapped it really tight. So we're gonna go all the way around to about right here, about halfway on the other side, and I'll be back. Right, we're at the top of our egg here. So I'm gonna loop this around, but I'm gonna bring one down like this. So we're gonna have a loop here. This is so we'll be able to hang it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it around like we've been doing, but we're gonna come back and crisscross on top of those 2. Make sure that loop stays there. Now we're going to finish wrapping the rest so we get halfway down on the other side like this where we started at. Just remember to keep pulling it tight. Okay, we're right where we need to be on both sides. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is now I'm not gonna cut this off and I'm not gonna glue it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it all the way around like that, and I'm gonna keep wrapping it just like so, all the way around it until we get to the bottom. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I am having to add some glue here. Since I've got down this far, it's not want to stay without glue, so I am putting a little glue there. And then I'm coming on this side and putting some more glue, just a drop of glue. And this is going to be the back side with the hanger right there. So you're not going to be able to tell it. But you just want to make sure you keep that tight. And the only way to do that now at this point is to put a little dab of glue on both sides. So I'll continue to wrap this and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, when you get down to the bottom, you're going to have to flip it back and forth and glue it on the ends down there so it will stay. And so I'm just going to, this is the back side, so I'm just going to cut this off. So we have a basket. And you can see I can put my hand in the middle like that. And it's a true basket. So now we're going to take our grass. And we're just going to kind of push it down in there. Kind of spread the grass out a little bit, so there we go. So it's more even, like that. There we go. I think that looks good. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit more grass here. Just fill in the sides there. I'm gonna leave a little bit poking out on the top, like so. And that has used that entire bag, like that, okay? So now, we're not gonna need this big, huge stick, I don't believe. Let's see here. Now, I'm gonna cut some of that off. I'm just gonna break it off. It breaks pretty easily. And then I'm gonna take some glue and put it on the bottom of the stick. And we're just gonna wedge it in there. Like so. So his little tail is sticking out. I'll even put a little bit of glue on the back side of the feet so they stay in place. Like that. Okay. So I did cut the ears off of the headband here because I didn't think it looked good with it So we're gonna put our ears up here. Now remember, your hanger is gonna be in the back, so make sure you flip it around so it's in the back. And then let me add some glue to the other ear. Put it on the opposite side. That's gonna be too cute. All right, so now I'm gonna add some glue to the carrot sticks. And I'm gonna stick them in here like that. Get another one here. I'm gonna break the stick off that third one. I'm gonna put it right up here at the top. Just to add some glue. Let's stick him right there. Okay. So now we got our Easter eggs left. I am just gonna glue a couple inside the basket. I need that pink one over here. I think that looks adorable. Let's see here. Now, isn't that too cute? And like I said, we're going to hang it up by the hanger here. That is adorable. Let's see. Okay, now you can take a lighter and burn off the extra hair and stuff off the twine. I like it. I think it just adds to it. We're going for a rustic look, so I think it looks cute. I have this little welcome sign. I'm just gonna add some glue to the back side. Okay, and there we are. Isn't that too cute? Let me go hang it on the door and I'll take a picture of it. God bless you and have a good evening until my next video.